Mastering Your Finances, a comprehensive guide to personal debt management and credit score empowerment in Nigeria. The foundations of personal debt management. Understanding your debt, the diagnostic phase. You cannot manage what you do not measure. The first step is a brutally honest audit. Create a debt inventory. List every single debt obligation. Include 1. Creditor, bank, fintech, cooperative, family member. 2. Type of debt, personal loan, payday loan, credit card, mortgage, car loan, student loan. 3. Outstanding balance, the total amount you currently owe. 4. Interest rate, APR. This is critical. Note the annual percentage rate. 5. Minimum monthly payment, the lowest amount you must pay to avoid penalties. 6. Due date, the date each payment is due monthly. 7. Calculate your total debt load. Sum up all outstanding balances. This number might be uncomfortable, but it's your starting point. 8. Compute your debt-to-income (DTI) ratio. This is a key metric for lenders and your own health. 9. Formula, total monthly debt payments / total monthly gross income, x 100. 10. Example. If you pay 50,000 Nigerian nairas monthly towards debts and earn 300,000 Nigerian nairas, your DTI is 50,000 divided by 300,000 times 100 equals 16.7%. 11. Interpretation. A DTI below 20% is healthy. Between 20 to 35% requires caution. Above 35 to 40% is a red flag and indicates you are over-leveraged. The psychology of spending, breaking the debt cycle. Debt is often a behavioral issue before it is a mathematical one, hence you do the following. 1. Identify your triggers. Do you shop to relieve stress? Keep up with social media trends, fear of missing out FOMO? Engage in emotional spending? Recognizing these patterns is the first step to changing them. 2. Differentiate between needs and wants. A need is shelter, basic food, essential utilities, and core transportation. A want is the latest smartphone, designer attire, or dining at expensive restaurants. Practice a 24 to 48-hour cooling-off period for any non-essential purchase. 3. Embrace the debt-free mindset. Shift your self-image from being a borrower to being a financially sovereign individual. Visualize the peace of mind that comes with zero debt. Budgeting, your blueprint for financial control. A budget is your plan for telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. We discussed budgeting comprehensively in our last video. Here are a recap of key strategies. 1. Adopt a proven method. 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This is a great starting framework. 2. Zero-based budgeting. Every naira has a job. Income minus all expenses, including savings and debt, equals 0. This ensures maximum efficiency. 3. The envelope system, digital or physical. Allocate cash for specific spending categories.